the runners. Away. We've got a speed scramble at the beginning, moving up. Snapdance to take the lead. It's now Snapdance, followed now by Balikarin second. A Certain Smile running area outside Dominican. Then comes Enterburn 9A, and that is Kentucky Rain. And going along for the first turn, Snapdance, the leader by about a length and a half. Running in second, Balikat. Another 3 lengths behind in third, we have Annie Gaswil. Running by the real Dabarkads. A Certain Smile, Dominican. Then comes Kentucky Rain. Looks smart. Moving up area outside. Back to original. Good Luck comes next. Bato and Duck Duck Moose is racing second last. Going back to the leader, it is still Snapdance by about 4 lengths now, followed by Balikarin second. Anika's Wheel still in third, then comes Kentucky Rain. And nearing the far turn, no change. With the leader, it is still Snapdance maintaining a 4 lengths lead, followed by Balikat, Anika's Wheel as they swing for home. Snapdance by about 5 lengths now over Balikat in second, down to the finish. Looks like clear winner now. Snapdance now way out in front. And finally, the program ender. Snapdance second, Balikat third, Bato. Then comes...
Alright, banderang tapos. Number 9, Snapdance, ridden by Reynaldo Onyo Jr. Masisigundo yung 8, Balikat. Then papasok yung isang 9, pero sa tercero yung Bato. Then Anika's Wheel, according kay Charlie. So, nabitin tayo sa pang-6. Panlima at pang-6. Panoorin natin replay, pagkakapanahon, isang season.